Okay, hi, good afternoon, guys. So this is an update, a showcase of this GoldMan Sachs. We're going to talk about GoldMan Sachs today. Okay, GoldMan Sachs already announced its earnings, and it was a decent set of earnings, and that is why the stock is continuing the momentum up despite the big sell-off in S&P 500. Now, what is going on in the market right now is there's a rotational play where tech stocks got sold off, but the rest of the market seems to be holding up fine. Okay, it is like a rotation out of tech stocks and people buy into other stocks in other industry because tech stocks have been up for a long time, right? So in our K2 robot release back in July, Goldman Sachs was one of the stocks that was taken. I want to take this chance to show you how it can trail the profit and compound and buy more position in the same stock, which we do not have this feature in the previous two strategy where Matt and let me just show you now. Why I always like to talk and don't show. Okay, so these are the two strategies that will have this feature. Okay, where it will be able to compound the profit in the same stock, and these are the strategies, Gapper, MAT, VDS that do not have this feature. Okay, so Goldman Sachs was a stock picked up in Trendmaster 38 right here on this date. Okay, that time when it first got in, a lot of people were commenting there, why does it buy at a high, blah, blah, blah. But more importantly is it continued to trade upwards. Let me just share with you on the weekly chart that week where we were talking about Goldman Sachs after it took the signal at a high. Goldman Sachs actually is a trending stock. Now, this is what we want. Okay, trending stocks will be very good to trade using Trendmaster strategy. Okay, this is a Trendmaster template that most of you are Traders Club member. You have this template, this feature. You can go ahead, open up the stock, put on the template, and you will know where the stock is likely to bounce. Okay, so yeah, so let me go back to the daily chart. So last week, right, on Friday, it took a second position in Goldman Sachs. Now, this is a very potential stock that can help to compound your profit. For those of you who have Goldman Sachs, okay? So if you take a look at over here and over here, it's the same story repeating twice. After it buy into the first low, okay, the first low, then it sort of not doing anything and then offer a second chance to buy another batch of Goldman Sachs and then it trends upwards. Okay, so this is where you can double your money, double your money. Sorry, not double your money. I spoke too fast. It means that can compound your profit. Okay, so right now, July, we started first position, second position, and hopefully, 在不久的将来啦, back in November, not back in November, going forward in November, it is able to do at least 3 times, 4 times position inside Goldman Sachs to give you that big profit, to tahan all those small disappointment in other stocks. Now, not all stocks traded will be profitable. I think you have to agree with me on this. No strategy win all the time, but once we win, right, we want to win big. That is how you make money in trading. Let me show you sometimes when the trend is very strong like this. Okay, it will be able to buy on all these low. Okay, and we have a wide stop loss so that we are not being exited at this kind of pullback. That is why we have a wide stop loss. This is also another common question being thrown out by a lot of users asking, hey, why is your stop loss so wide, blah, 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 right? So this is the reason, because we want to compound our profit in the trend. That is why we have a wide stop loss to avoid getting swing out unnecessarily. Now, of course, over here, you will see that finally you will get swing out. But more importantly is on the way up, we will have the trailing profit kick in for the first batch of signal. Like for example, if we bought into here, this low, by the time it take a second position, it means the share price must have moved up a lot. And we would have a trailing stop to protect the profit of the first position. So as it go higher and higher, like for example, over here, it pull back, right? Most likely it will take profit for this batch of signal and keeping this batch of signal still in the trade. Also, along the way, when it goes up, the previous signal that was taken much earlier will have a chance to lock in the profit using the trailing stop that we have. Okay, so this is just an example to show you how the trailing stop work, how we are able to take a second position in the same stock using this new feature. Also, this Goldman Sachs is the first stock that we have this glorious opportunity to finally some members see big profit. Okay, so fingers crossed. I also pray for you lah. Okay, then the next thing I want to highlight to you is over the weekend, Donald Trump was speaking at this crypto event, and he makes some very bullish remark on cryptocurrencies. Okay, like strategic reserve, blah blah blah. But of course, Donald Trump being Donald Trump, whatever he say, he can flip flop prata very fast. So, but what we want to observe over here is ever since he talked about the cryptocurrency and he appeared at the event, crypto has made a very strong, of course, coupled with interest rate cut expectation, crypto has made a very spectacular rally back up to near the old highs. Now, it may potentially break upwards strongly, cross 70,000, 80, 90,000 TTK. Okay, now question come out here is, if you do not have cryptocurrency, like you do not want to trouble yourself, go and study crypto, how to make money from crypto, what if I tell you you can do it in the stock market itself by investing in stocks that are relative to the cryptocurrency? That means when cryptocurrency move, these stocks will move. Okay, so these are the stocks. Okay, these are the stocks over here. Okay, I did a Google. I'll probably send you the links and the screenshot of the stock so that if you want to duplicate what I am about to do, you can do so. Okay, so these are the stocks that are crypto stocks. We call them the crypto stocks. Let me show you. Yeah, crypto stocks or best cryptocurrency stocks means they are involved in cryptocurrency in one way or another. Like Coinbase is an exchange. Now, Nvidia is more of an AI play now. Last time back in the Bitcoin mining days, Nvidia's graphic card was used to power the crypto mining. Okay, so the rest like Marathon Digital is always there, and also MicroStrategy, they are vested heavily in cryptocurrency, so their company value will go up. These are all speculative. If you ask me lah, these are all speculative. If you want to do proper business and so on, GoldMan Sachs lah, you have got currently Bosimi stock lah. GoldMan Sachs, okay, then highlight. So this is the crypto stock, okay. Now later I will send you the link, so don't kanchiong, don't want your screenshot and all that. I need to pause the video. Okay, now you go to your K2 robot, you go to strategy lab. Okay, under strategy lab, okay, we got a lot of strategies for you to choose from. I'm going to use Trendmaster 100 to show you. The watch list that I'm going to use is crypto watch list. Okay, you will not have this crypto stock, so you need to go to the watch list, and then you create a new one. Okay, called crypto stocks. You create, then it will come out, it will be blank. Then one by one, you search the stock and you add into the watch list over here. Okay, I do one time and show you lah. Okay, I remove my Riot platform. Okay, and I remove my Mara. All right, so how do I add these two stock in? Very simple. Go to crypto stock. Then we do Mara. Okay, then there's a blue add button over here. You click, comes out. Then we have Riot, right? Just now I remove Riot. Okay, click on this blue button, you add into the list over here. Okay, notice I don't include Nvidia because that to me is AI stock. Also, I choose these few stocks to represent the crypto space. Okay, once you are done, there's no need to click OK or done. Once you click add, you are done. Okay, then you can come back to your strategy lab, select the crypto stocks, the strategy, initial capital, put whatever amount that you are going to use, 10,000, 5,000, up to you. Okay, 10,000. So I'm using 10,000 to show you how it works. Now, about the from and to date, you do not want to backtest 10 years or 5 years of the data. It doesn't make sense because we are trying to trade the momentum of what Donald Trump did over the Saturday. If there are any follow-through buying, right, these crypto stocks should benefit. Then you go and take a look at the Bitcoin currency. Now, what we want to establish is whether when Bitcoin goes up, does the list of stocks over here goes up or not? This is more important. So we come back to Bitcoin. Now you can see there was a low over here. Okay, of course, there's a massive rally from October 2023 all the way to current levels. Okay, but let's not start from so low lah. Let's come back to this level. January 23rd, this was the low before Bitcoin shoot up, or similar to this, pull back and then shoot up. So from here, 23rd of January, okay, all the way to 13th of March is the peak. During this time, Bitcoin went up 40,000 to 69,000. But can the stocks go up or not? Does it give you the return or not? More importantly, so let's go back to the K2 robot. Okay, you set the date. This is 13. Okay, so 13th of January 2024 to what was that date again? Sorry, I a bit goldfish memory. 13th. Oh, sorry. This is 23rd of January to 13th of March. 23rd of January to 13th of March. Okay, then we run the test. Okay, let it run, and then it will give you your backtest results. Okay, backtest results completed, all signal performance empty, never mind. What is more important is over here. Okay, so this is the rally in Bitcoin, right? Just now I show you the rally in Bitcoin over here. So you can see if you are trading those stocks at that time, okay, you will be able to, if you start from 10,000, right, end of the capital is about 11,300. So that is about 13% return in these 2 months, January to March. So if, okay, let me show you more now. If you open up this trade details in chronological order, you'll be able to see all the trades taken. And why only 4 trades taken? Because it ride the trend, guys. It ride the trend. Oh, that is why it was only got this 4 stocks taken. Then you come down right here, you can see the drawdown, right? In March, 4th of March, there is a drawdown of about 7%. Okay, so if you're happy with this of stock using Trendmaster 100, you click Save Strategy. Okay, crypto. Okay, crypto. Crypto using TM100. The strategy need. You click Save. Save already, right? You see, if your robot is created after 4 p.m., we are 8 minutes to 4 p.m. So this one will not take effect after 4 p.m. So tonight, even if I save and run it, it will not trade tonight. It will trade tomorrow night. Click OK, right? You come back to your stocks robot. You will be able to see your crypto stocks robot over here. Then you can click Enable, okay, to trade the robot. You can see now, guys. Also, then it will trade. You will look out for trades for the crypto robots over here. Okay, so this is how you can set it up and let it run. Okay, let me turn it off. Now I want to show you something else. So let's say just now we saw the return about 13%, like not very interesting, right? So let's say we use let's try VDS1. Okay, and then we try the same crypto stocks. 10,000. Same date, which is 23rd of January 2024. Okay, this is the bounce in Bitcoin. So we expect all the crypto space, a lot of stocks will go up. That is why we are trading in this period. Okay, then okay, VDS. Okay, VDS, you have to select your profit taking strategy at 12%. Then you have your trailing stop. Okay, do you want to set trailing stop? Then this is the default. Okay, this is the default. Green color is the default of this strategy, how it take in profit, how it cut loss. Okay, so this is not used. And then the stop loss percentage is fixed at 11%. Okay, trailing stop loss not applied. Okay, so let's run the test and see. Okay, this is the default. Okay, default parameter for VDS1. So we see whether can it generate higher return. Oh no, guys. If you use VDS1 to trade the crypto stocks, you can see it is a disaster compared to TM100. You see? So not all bots trade the stock can make money. So you need to use the right strategy that you back tested to run it. Okay, so VDS failed. Don't save because this one no good. We click back. Okay, then we change strategy. VDS2 MET. Okay, let's try MET. VDS1 and VDS2 is the same. So let's try MET. Okay, can MET do a better job? Okay, let's go back to the crypto stocks. Okay, so this one is 23rd of Jan 2024. And we have got 13th of March 2024. Okay, let's go. So I'm going to leave the default settings there. Okay, and just using the default settings to try to trade the crypto stock, whether it works or not. For you, feel free to go and experiment. What are the different parameters that can help you generate a good return that can beat just down that 13% in 2 months? Okay, let's see. All right, so Is there any trade taken? There is no trade taken, guys. If you use the match strategy, right, there is no trade taken. You can ignore this. You can ignore it because there's no trade taken. Okay, no trade taken. So match also cannot use unless you tweak the parameters. Now, with regards to Trendmaster 38 and 100, these are parameters already tweaked by me. Okay, handcrafted, like handcrafted whiskey, handcrafted beer, or like the Patek watch that handmade watch. This one already done the tweaking for you. So this one, you see, you cannot do anything to it. All right, this is part of our mentorship strategy. So if I use, that's why we use 100 so now we use Trendmaster 38 crypto stocks. Let's try. 23rd of Jan to 13th of March. Okay, that is if crypto this time around can run for 1 to 2 months. This week, FOMC night, 31st of July, there is a interest rate announcement. So it may even become the trigger. This is how many percent return? This is about the same. 13% return. So either TM38 or TM100 strategy will work, will give you 13% if you run this strategy on these crypto stocks back in the January to March period. Okay, now let us do something in advance. We want to boost the profit. Let's see. Sorry, I saw only got 4 trades taken. So let's see. 4 trades taken. There are 2 stocks like Riot and Mara didn't give us a profitable return. So the one that really give us a return is this micro strategy. It may not repeat exactly the same the history. Okay, but out of the stocks that we have inside the watch list, only 4 stocks triggered and only micro strategy seems to perform the best, which also means during that time, if only micro strategy is being traded, it's probably going to bring you more profit. Or in this case, right, we may want to remove. Okay, let's remove. I know. Okay, Mara and Riot. Let's choose Mara and Riot. Let's take a look. The trend. Okay, Mara. This is Riot. Which one will have legs to run? Okay, from the look of the chart, it's like Mara is better than Riot, if you ask me. So we probably want to do away without Riot or Mara so that we can boost the return during this period. So going forward, if what Trump is doing on the crypto space really inspire crypto prices to shoot up, then perhaps micro strategy. Okay, micro strategy, what is the symbol? Micro strategy, MSTR. MSTR could be a big winner over here. But currently there's no Trendmaster signal. The last one was here. Okay, so currently don't have, so you need to wait for another new higher low in order to have that signal. Okay, so right now don't have. So these few nights, I don't think there'll be any trade on micro strategy, even if you turn it on. What about Coinbase? Actually, I quite like Coinbase. I'm very also the same. There is no signal over here yet. Okay, so if it really breaks out, then probably you need to wait for it to pull back to the first set of green arrows, which is the signal that will tell you the low. Okay, over here, no trade because of the red and orange. So Trendmaster on crypto stocks, this is how you can do it. Okay, now in the next video, probably tomorrow, if I have time, I'm going to create and show you how to trade a list of Warren Buffett stocks. Okay, I have also a Warren Buffett list of stocks over here, 4 of them. Okay, you can see the strategy system. Okay, strategy lab. Okay, I'm going to run Warren Buffett stocks and show you. Okay, now this one then no need to 客气 this one straight away 2019 start all the way to July 2026. Okay, which is the latest data. Oops, date must be between the 25th. Oops. Okay, I think I need to refresh. Okay, clear the thing and 2024. We may better to take note of. The range is 5 years. Okay, so let's do July 23rd, July to July. Okay, 5 years. So let's run. Okay, Trendmaster on Warren Buffett stocks. That 4 stocks. Okay, now you can see the return is very good, right? From 10,000 all the way to about 15,000, about 50% return. Okay, and the drawdown is very, very low, 7% drawdown, or only 4 stocks. Okay, so this is how you can use the strategy lab to help you backtest a strategy against a basket of stocks that you find online, like Trump or crypto stocks, or you want AI, or you want Warren Buffett list of stock. Now, Warren Buffett list of stock, of course, there are more stocks than these. We can always, I have another list over here, the WBL, or these are a whole list. Then you can also go and Google and add more stocks into it to backtest. Okay, and then you can have your winning list of stock, your basket of stock in the watch list, and use the trend master signal to trade it. Okay, this is another way to make use of this K2 to make money for you. Okay, I'm going to show you another list that I have is AI stocks. Okay, now these are the stocks all involved in AI. Okay, so obviously if we run the back test on this AI stock, definitely will what lah. Or because we all know past few years the AI is doing very well. Okay, but going forward, will it continue to do well or not? That is the challenge over here, guys. 10,000 to about 26,000, so more than 100% return. Okay, but we all know this is like in a hindsight that the stocks rally. So going forward, if through various report, analysts, comments, or the expert says that AI will continue to do well. This week, there is AI earnings. Where a lot of big tech earnings will come out. So if their comments are friendly, they are very positive about the forward guidance, then the AI stocks will continue to go higher. And if you do not want to miss it, okay, you can create this list of stock and then let the back test run it. Okay, and then you can just let the robot do the trading for you. You need to, okay, like for example, save strategy to the dashboard. Okay, so this is AI stock, right? I think you cannot put the dot there. It will not recognize. Okay, I'm very lazy to put the description, so I'm just going to copy and paste. Save. Okay, so it's safe. So now I go back to my system robot. Wait for AI stock is here. Okay, then I can turn on the AI stocks to trade for me. Got remember, because the time now is 4:03 p.m. So whatever strategy I create or new bots that I create right here with the watch list like AI stocks, it will not take the signal tonight. It will only take tomorrow because we just make the changes. Or the system need to generate signal for your watch list and create a bot for yourself, AI stocks. Okay, so that is the reason why we need to have a cut-off time at 4 p.m. Right, so I hope today's video gives you more insights on how to use the K2 robots. And let me summarize. We also have taken a look at GS, GoldMan Sachs, how the compound of profit works, multiple entry into a single stock works, how to create your own watch list through news catalyst, through follow guru, or through industry. Okay, and create your own robot, backtest, and let the robot trade for you. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Any question, as usual, feel free to leave below at the comments field. Thank you. Bye-bye. Till the next video.